It is absolute chaos this morning. We're starting with breakfast, coffee, oldest daughter's on schoolwork, and I'm going to tackle some laundry in this room. Well, hang up some laundry. I absolutely love this thing. It's linked on my Amazon storefront, but it makes it so much easier. Done. We still have a big pile right here, but most of it is those fast drying towels, and we have this. We could go to the laundromat, which is on property, but that seemed like more work, so we're just gonna deal with this. I'm currently answering some emails. I've been on here for maybe like 45 minutes. Answering emails. I did one video. I have to voice over one, but I can't do that while the kids are like loud. So yeah, just the boring social media stuff that no one really shows. I have a buddy. And she only has one eye. I don't want to hear it in the comments. I know. She was born like that, okay? Oh, jump scare. My husband took all 3 kids so I can record. I'm going to record me talking and me just doing my makeup, a normal TikTok video. If the kids are not out of the house, it is so loud and I get so irritated and it's just very anxiety riven. So, hubby's taking the kids on a bike ride. I'm gonna get some makeup done. I actually have a meeting. I have to leave in 45 minutes. And yes, this is a stain. I look crazy. It's going to be a jump scare for a reason. It's a hook for people to watch me like, why is she wearing that? It's just a lip stain. I love it. It's called Wonder Skin. Wonder Skin. I've done a whole video review on it on TikTok. Anyways, here's my lineup. Oh God, it's a mess. I'm sorry. We're going to be putting some on. I got these little lights I'm obsessed with. It makes it easier for me to be recording. And I have a little stand right here. It's just like a car stand. So I can record myself. And then the background is a mess. We're actually going to be taking care of this. We are changing out our toilet and then there's flies. I should probably take that down. Love living in RVs. This is like real life, but you can't see me. Okay, I'll be back. So here's my outfit. I'm really proud of it. It's my husband's shirt and a skirt I thrifted. Doc Martens. And then I'm gonna wear my fanny pack. I'm gonna go get that. Right now, this is my favorite fanny pack from Calpac. But I'm getting another one today. So cute. Off to my meeting.